We are getting stuck in the traffic at Wageni Drive, heading towards Wageni traffic light. Traffic jam, heavy downpour. So you can see all of this vehicles ahead of us. They're heading towards Gero, Rainbow, Morata. It's a bit of a challenge getting home in the rain, traffic. Traffic is a everyday challenge, so it's now becoming a norm in Port Moresby. Guys, we'll walk you through the traffic and see what brings ahead of us. Things ahead of us. Okay. It is taking us 3 minutes from Pentagon to... We're not reaching any destination yet. We're just bypassing Pentagon. So not the Pentagon in US, but Pentagon is a hotel or club or I don't know in Port Moresby. So doing the fun. Sea of Galilee, this is the Sea of Galilee. This is sea, this is sea, this is Sea of Galilee. There's a boat in a Sea of Galilee. There's a boat on the Sea of Galilee. There's a boat, there's a boat, there's a boat on the Sea of Galilee. There are men in a boat on the Sea of Galilee. There are men in a boat on the Sea of Galilee. There are men, there are men, there are men in a boat on the Sea of Galilee. As we approach the traffic light, you might see some street vendors. They're selling variety of items, taking advantage of the traffic, and they're selling items. We will soon see them. So we are approaching slowly. Or maybe because it's raining, so no one is able to sell their products, various of items. So nobody wants to sell those items in the rain, so they must be taking cover from the rain and hiding somewhere. There's a bus coming, switching lane. City Kotna. I see. That's one of the street vendors. Is what he's selling. He's selling boy, betel nut. We thought they all left, or they were taking shelter in the rain, but no, sorry, not taking shelter. We thought they were under the shelter during the rain, but no, they still want to make some money, some quick bucks in the rain. So but guys, are we ready? Yes, green light. Yes, green light. Let's go. Let's go. Let's follow the corner. Let's follow the corner. Let's go. Ikimasho. Ikimasho. Oh. Guys, thank you for accompanying us. Thank you for watching. This one we are trying to show how challenging it is in the traffic light, especially in the afternoon and very early in the morning. Let's say from 7 to 8, half past 8 in the morning, and 5 o'clock in the afternoon to 6, 7 o'clock in the night. This place is you expect traffic every day. Every day you will never miss this traffic. It's a very challenging. It's very challenging. You see the buses didn't want to go to the bus stop and drop off and pick up customers. They want to just stop on the road and they want to pick See, this is so the bus driver need law. Respect him. Rules of traffic. Now it's free, no traffic. I mean, it's not slow, but its flow is okay.